had Starbucks in 2 weeks. And look at this baby. Oh, it's heaven in my mouth. This is so good. We are going back to the beach to see Abby. Brandon's so excited. He loves the beach. We're finally here after like a 10-hour drive. Gonna eat some Subway, even though they already ate, because Abby was a cranky bear. So we're walking up right now. I'm starving.
And Brandon came.
This is what you do in SoCal when you can't find parking. You stand in spots for your friends to get here. So we'll see if Abby and Tim can make it to the spot. All right, they came, but this is pretty small. So this nice guy over here is gonna move back for us. That's so sweet. This guy right here, jerk. Yay! We finally made it to the beach, and guess what? I had to pee. So, story of my life, rushing around. I might just put my bathing suit on.
Do it, do it, do it.
Heck no, I can't pee in there. We walked about, what, 3 miles to go to the bathroom.
Oh yeah.
And now we're back
5 miles.
at the beach. Finally.
Oh my gosh, that's so
huge. Finally relaxing.
On the beach with Tommy. Oh hi. I thought you were pointing at Brandon.
This guy.
I'm like the guy who's like to be in the vlog.
Nope. Here we go. Look at these waves. We're gonna go stick our feet in it. Yeah. It's cold.
Oh, it is freezing cold water.
Oh! Denied.
You're gonna touch us?
Nope. Here it comes. Maybe. Nope. There we go.
Nope, it's not gonna get it.
No?
Yeah, no. Yep.
No.
Nope.
Wow.
Okay, we'll get braver.
Let's go more.
Okay, we'll go.
More.
Oh, that's a big one! Oh my god!
Here it comes.
Yep. Oh!
Let's
Let's go farther, she said.
So much fun. Southern girl at the beach.
Yeah,
Hey,
get in my vlog too, because I never get you in here.
Oh, there he goes.
Oh.
You can do it. What? Look at those potties out there. Let's see if they're actually good.
No. See if I can actually catch it.
Yep. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Come on.
Nope. Oh.
Got it. All right. So our other 2 friends aren't here. It says we love you, Ashley and Sarah. Yeah, they're building walls for us so we don't get hit way up there where our bags are.
Do it! Oh my gosh, that came all the way up to my foot.
My shorts are so wet.
Hey Cassie, great idea. Let's play chicken in the water. Yes, thank you. I am running Cassie's vlog right now. Sure am. She's gonna look at this and laugh. Oh, here they go.
Hey, I won. I went way down.
You didn't even let it hit your feet.
That's the point, I think. I can't
Who
touch
looks
it.
better on the camera, me or Cassie? Mean girl status.
Yeah, for real. Don't comment down below.
Please do not comment down below.
No trolls allowed.
No trolls allowed.
It's like I peed my pants.
Well, that's never good. Seriously.
I don't get your game.
Who can get the lowest, closest to the water?
Without getting hit?
Oh shoot! Brandon just about got.
So you have to judge. You have to judge who can get the farthest.
Go, go, go!
good.
We got the farthest.
Abby.
Abby!
That was pretty good.
Cardio's over.
Cardio's over.
We gotta run.
Oh, snap.
Oh, close. That wasn't a very big one, though. So not only does Abby know the way to my heart, but the beach does. Look what we found.
Heck yes.
It is Black Heart Beauty lipstick. Let's
And
open.
it's
Sure Shot.
Sure Shot.
Let's open it up.
What do we have here, folks?
Ooh.
Swatch it. Swatch it.
Oh, so cute.
Not.
Stay, stay, stay.
Oh no. He outran it.
Baywatch.
Baywatch.
Baywatch. Just go. Go right. Yeah.
If you get views and start making money because of me,
Okay.
I want 60-40 profit.
I will,
64.
I will give you the 50 cents that I make off of it.
We're tricking them into being stupid. We're so mean. Hashtag mean wives. There they go.
Oh my god. Preferably a side shot. Now they all calm down again.
Yeah.
Now here comes in. Oh,
Oh my gosh. No, you gotta fall all the way. Camera crew.
what up?
They're not even gonna do it. We might have to grab our towels and run.
Okay, now you guys are just getting a cardio workout.
I thought that was his debut chance.
Man.
Okay, that's your chin.
Oh, yep. People probably think we're really weird. They're like, why are these chicks just holding up cameras and like talking to it? Oh, snap.
Holy moly. Phones are rising.
That's luxury right here. It's building a wall so me and Abby Lou don't get wet. Abby Lou. You know who. Oh, I'm a rapper. Abby Lou. You know who. She lives in Whoville.
Zoo.
With the zoo. Animals. Because that's what you do. Whoa.
Comes to the zoo to feature food.
What? Oh, rapper. Babe, let me hear your rap.
Drive through far. Like,
Okay. Hashtag I'm great. What?
I can't make it.
Yeah!
There was no fall. Cassie, we talked about this. Okay, it's on. Yeah.
Hey, girl. I'm watching these girls do flips. Yeah! And a pose at the end. Look at this pizza. Oh my god. Alright, we're done with the beach. We changed. We're dry. He's not. He wants a sweater. She says no.
I'm freezing.
And then we're gonna get taffy and then go home. Tomorrow's Sunday. Crazy. It's the longest day of our lives. And chicken and waffles. What's fun?
Do you want to taste any?
Abby, try the extreme hot. We all have to taste one first.
Where's extreme hot?
Right here.
Oh, got this. I got this.
Chicken
We hold it.
and waffles.
Cover it in.
Here, I want.
Is it on?
Ew. Ew.
This is extreme hot.
Nope.
Perfect. Thank you. Have a good one. Nothing. Hold on. No, it's just like cinnamon. That's not bad.
Chicken and waffles is gross.
What's it taste like?
Chicken and syrup.
Ew.